Hey everyone, in this video today I'm going to replace the batteries on a 24 volt Scoot and Go scooter. The way we know the batteries are dead is when I put the key in the on position, it doesn't light up, but when I plug it in the charger and put the key in the on position, you're able to get power and run it. So since it only works with the charger plugged in, that means it's time for new batteries. Luckily they put it right under this keyed compartment, so all we have to do is place the key, turn it clockwise, then we're able to remove this cover. That gives us access to this battery bag and the connector. Remove this connector here first, then pull the whole battery bag up and out. For this next step, you'll need these connectors and a wire cutter. Start by cutting, then removing the black wire. Then cut and remove the red wire. Next, cut the black side of this wire. Then cut and remove the final wire. These batteries are 12 volt 12 amp hour. You could put a 15 amp hour or even a smaller amp hour in there too. Next, strip the ends of each of the wires. Then crimp these connectors on. First crimping once with a wider setting, and then following it up with the narrow setting. Then repeat this a couple more times. I also repeated this for the wire set with the red and black wire. Now to connect them to the batteries, first we're going to put this red wire to this red terminal. Then the shorter red wire onto this black terminal, and the other side, that short red wire to that red terminal on the other side, like so. And finally, the black wire to this black terminal. Next, battery bag goes back in the compartment, then I can connect the battery connector to this other side. Place the battery cover back in place and then lock it down with the key. Now when we put the key in the ignition and turn this thing on, it should work. And here we go, the lights come up and we're able to turn the throttle. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.